Hey students, so the next one is deep sea. You know what is deep sea? The deep sea is one of the most mysterious places on earth. It is found at the very bottom of the ocean, miles below the surface, okay? A deep sea is a type of ecosystem. It has water at the bottom of the ocean. The water in the deep sea is very cold and the weight of all the ocean water above creates a lot of pressure and no sunlight. It is so deep that no sunlight can reach it. It is pitch black all the time. And animals that crawl or stick to the ground. Most animals here crawl or stick to the ground. Since there are no plants because there is no sun, many animals eat marine snow, which is tiny bits of food that sinks down from the surface. Okay, you know, this is a deep sea. It is at the bottom of the ocean and it is so far underwater that no sunlight can reach it. As I have told you that the deep sea is one of the most mysterious places on earth. It is found at the very bottom of the ocean, miles below the surface, and it is so deep that no sunlight can reach it. So the next one is a temperate deciduous forest. A temperate deciduous forest is a type of ecosystem that changes a lot with the seasons. Deciduous is just a fancy word for trees that lose their leaves every year. Okay? So, a temperate deciduous forest is a type of ecosystem. It has warm, wet summers and cold, wet winters. You get to see the leaves change color in the fall. So, soil that is rich in nutrients. It has healthy soil, like the soil is rich in nutrients. When the leaves falls off the trees and rot on the ground, they turn into natural fertilizers that makes the dirt very healthy. Okay? And only a few types of trees. Unlike a rainforest, which has thousands of kinds of trees, this forest usually has only a few types of trees, like oak, that grow in big groups. Okay? So, here are the activity questions. The first one is, what is an ecosystem? We have options: a place with only living things, a place where living and non living things interact, a place with non living things, a place where only plants grow. Yes, option B is correct. Why? Because remember, an ecosystem needs both living and non living things work together, okay? So, the next one is, which type of ecosystem is covered with water for most of the year? Option A, desert. Option B, wetland. Option C, tropical rainforest. Or option D, deep sea. Yes, option B is correct. Why? Because wetlands are the soggy lands that stay soaked with water almost all year round. Okay? Okay. What kind of water does a tropical coral reef have? Fresh cold water, shallow salty water, deep salty water, fresh deep water. Yes, option B is correct. Why? Because coral reef needs a shallow water so sunlight can reach them and they are always found in the salty ocean. Okay? Okay, the next one is, what is a characteristic of a desert ecosystem? Option A, year round rain and warm temperatures, a small amount of rain and dry thin soil, daily flooding and draining of seawater. Yes, option B is correct. Why? Because deserts are famous for being very dry. Okay? So, the next one is, which type of ecosystem has no sunlight? Tropical coral reef, tide pool, temperate deciduous forest, or deep sea? Yes, deep sea. Because the deep sea is so far underwater that the sun rays can't reach the bottom. Okay? What type of ecosystem has warm, wet summers and cold, wet winters? Yes, option C is correct. Temperate deciduous forest. Why? Because these forests are known for having four distinct seasons and trees that lose their leaves to survive the cold winters.